Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be solving question number 6 on chapter 2. So this is a question. It says that assume a runner runs 14 kilometers in 45 minutes and 30 seconds. Write a program that displays the average speed in miles per hour. Note that 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometers. So let's identify the variables that we are going to use. So first we have kilometers, we have minutes, we have seconds, we have average speed, we have miles, we have hour. Okay, so I'm going to declare all these variables and I'm going to use double as usual. So the first one is kilometers. And minutes, seconds, average underscore speed, what else? 10 miles. I think that's all. So let's assign the values to them. We have kilometers to be, is it 14 or 1.4? 14. And minutes, seconds equal to 30. Okay. Now let's define the other variables. So we have average speed, we have miles, so we said 1 mile is equal to 1.4 kilometers. So it's going to be kilometers divided by 1.6 is going to give us the total miles, and hours is going to be let's use minutes. Okay, so it's going to be minutes. The minutes is 45 minutes and 30 seconds. So 30 seconds, we should divide it by 60 so that we can get the actual minutes. So it's going to be plus seconds divided by 60. All this we are going to divide it by 60. So let me do it properly. Let me put this in brackets. And then put everything in bracket, and let me divide it by 60. So this is going to give us the number of hours. Okay, so it's left with the average speed. So average speed is the distance traveled by the time taken. So what am I writing? Average underscore speed is equal to, so the total distance is miles, so it's going to be miles per hour. So it's going to be mile divided per hours. That's it. Okay, so we are just going to display the average speed. So system.out.println So the average speed of the runner is, what is the average speed? So it's going to be average speed, and it is in what? Miles per hour. That's it. Okay, here this average speed is going to take the value from here and then put it here. So I'm going to run the program. Ooh, it says invalid exception. Uncompiled code cannot function. Okay, we have made a mistake somewhere. Average speed, the hours, so it's supposed to be hour. Okay, let's run again and see. Yes, so the average speed of the runner is what? 11.5 miles per hour. So that's it. So this is the code. Make sure you change the class name when you are creating your new file. Should be different name, okay? It shouldn't be the same as mine, okay? So this is the code, and thank you for watching. See you on the next video.